News 5 continues to investigate the tragic death of 4-year-old Aniya Day-Garrett. Tonight, one of the child's former daycare centers defiant in the face of state investigators.
It was one of 2 daycares cited in connection with Aniya's death, accused of failing to report their suspicions that she was being abused, but they say the county is passing the buck. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg is live with one school's response to the inspectors and what happens next.
Well, when the state cites a daycare in the state of Ohio, that daycare then has to submit what's called a corrective action plan. And one of Aniya's former daycares, in their corrective action plan, told the state they can expect an appeal.
Justice for Aniya! Justice for Aniya!
In the days following a mid-March peaceful protest outside the Cuyahoga County Division of Children and Family Services, records show someone from inside that building sent 2 complaints to the state. Those complaints prompted state investigations into whether Harbor Crest Child Care Academy and Get Ready Set Grow Child Care Center properly reported suspicions that Aniya Day-Garrett was being abused. A county spokeswoman says CFS was legally obligated to make those complaints to the state. Attorneys for Get Ready Set Grow, however, allege CFS is merely trying to cover its tracks. Truth is, CFS should have been aware that Harbor Crest had reportedly failed to report the abuse more than a year before the complaint was made. The complaint that prompted the state investigation into Get Ready Set Grow is brief and somewhat vague, saying, quote, "One day in January, the child just stopped being able to walk, and the parent started to carry her in." The complaint does not specify what Aniya's injuries were. The owner of Get Ready Set Grow tells News 5 that Aniya's mother once worked at the daycare, and if they had suspected that she was abusing her daughter, they would have terminated her immediately in order to protect other children and the business. Aniya's mother, Sierra Day, has been charged with aggravated murder in connection with Aniya's death. In their official response to the state's findings, the owners of Get Ready Set Grow were clear. One single response, saying, quote, "This did not happen at our facility. We are appealing." The daycare also said the facility didn't have incident reports on file because there haven't been any incidents. The daycare's attorneys say no appeal date has been set, and they are still exploring whether to take additional legal action. And all of this is going on as an independent review board appointed by the county executive is continuing to meet to review the Cuyahoga County Division of Children and Family Services handling of Aniya's case. A county spokeswoman says that review is still going on and should be complete by mid-May. Reporting live downtown, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.